I wrote this song about the radio and people I used to listen to, like, Elton John and Billy Joel and Willie Nelson and Merle Haggard and Tom Petty and Jackson Brown and Bob Seger. I used to love to know who wrote these songs, the Eagles and people like that. I was inspired by these guys. And anyway, so I wrote this song. It was called Sound of a Million Dreams. The seagull was singing words I could believe in, and Main Street was my street that night. So I called Samantha and asked her to dance with me under the pale moonlight. Well, she's not with me now, but she could always be found when I rewound that radio dial. And like it was then, I feel her on my skin, and I'm back there for a while. So I labor for hours, 'cause I know the power of a song when the song hits you right. Pouring my soul into stories of life, hoping someone will hear one tonight. And maybe my voice will cut through the noise and bring back an old memory. And out of these piano keys comes the sound of a million dreams. My 18th summer, I was a cocky up and comer and cranking up on the run. Turned left out the drive with the pistons open wide, and I came back the prodigal son. My spirit was broken, mama threw the door open, said I love you, and I told you so. When I hear mama tried, I still break down and cry and fall to the side of the road. So I labor for hours, 'cause I know the power of a song when the song gets you right. Pouring my soul into stories of life, hoping someone will hear one tonight. And maybe my voice will cut through the noise and bring back an old memory. And out of these piano keys comes the sound of a million dreams. So I labor for hours, 'cause I know the power of a song when the song hits you right. Pouring my soul into stories of life, hoping someone will hear one tonight. And maybe my voice will cut through the noise and bring back an old memory. Out of these piano keys comes a sound